Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. On Monday this week we had the first day of our annual face-to-face Teaching Lexically course for teachers of English here in North London. And as part of the ice breaking, as one of the warmers that we were doing to ease people into the course, we did a little find someone who activity. One of the questions was find someone who has done some other job in the past apart from teaching. And one of the attendees on the course said that when she was in her early 20s, she'd worked in PR, she'd worked in public relations, but after a couple of years, she basically got fed up with it. She got sick of it, and so she decided to pack it in. If you pack something in, you basically quit it or you stop doing it. And we use it particularly for jobs. So, you might ask a friend, hey, how's your son getting on in his job? Oh, didn't I tell you? He didn't last that long, actually. He packed it in after the first month. He really hated it. Or maybe you might be complaining about your job, but then you might add, yeah, I'm not happy with things at the moment, and I'm hoping they'll get better as time goes by, but I'm not planning on packing it in just yet. We also use it about bad habits. So, you might see a friend of yours smoking one evening outside a bar, and you might say, are you still smoking then? Or are you smoking again then? I thought you'd packed it in. We might also use it to talk about courses. So maybe you're doing an English course or a foreign language course or a university course, and you're finding it really hard going. You're finding it really tough. And you might tell your friends when they ask you how the course is going, to be honest, it's a real struggle. I actually feel like packing it in. We also sometimes just say, pack it in, to children when we're annoyed with them and we want them to stop doing what they're doing. So with my two kids, they're often at each other's throats while I'm trying to work. I can hear them bickering and winding each other up in the other room when I'm teaching online. So I might mute myself on Zoom and shout out to them, can you two just pack it in? I'm trying to work in here. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use pack it in.